Hello, here's the problem. This is problem number 70, section 6.4. We basically need to take this and solve for x. What I would do is simply divide everything here by 3 because each one of these terms has a factor of 3. So that will give us x to the 4th plus 5x squared minus 24 equals 0. Now it's a lot easier to factor. Now notice I have x to the 4th term. I have x squared term here. We're going to factor this. Normal factoring. Two sets of parentheses. Go backwards. X squared and x squared. What times what is negative 24? That will add to give you 5. Well, that's going to be positive 8 and minus 3. Still set it equal to 0. Now you got two different problems. X squared plus 8 equals 0. X squared minus 3 equals 0. Over here, we're going to have x squared equals negative 8. This will give us an imaginary solution. And I believe the problem just asked for real number solution. So over here, if we solve this, you have two answers will be x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 3. Okay, here's the next problem. This is problem number 28, section 6.5. Here we're doing division. And basically you could do long division to divide this problem, but it's easy to use synthetic. I say easier, it's just a different method. Probably a lot faster to do that. To do this, you're going to rewrite x plus 4 into x minus k form. So that will be x minus negative 4. And for synthetic division, you're going to use negative 4 in your shorthand. So I'm going to have negative 4 here. Use the coefficient of your polynomial. If you have a term that's missing, you're going to input a 0. So you're going to have 1, 0, negative 14, and 8. Let's do the math. Multiply, bring that down. Multiply, that's negative 4. Add. Multiply, that's 16. Add, that's 2. Multiply, that's negative 8. Add, you get 0. Excellent. You have a remainder of 0. Your solution when you divide here is going to be 1 degree less than your original. So you're going to have x squared, technically 1x squared, minus 4x plus 2. And that's your solution. Okay, here's the next problem, section 6.5, number 48. Excuse my writing, I'm working on this. But anyway, basically I have an expression here, a polynomial, and they're giving me the solution. Since they're giving me the solution, I know that my solution is negative 14, so I know a factor would be x plus 14. That's going to be a factor if that's the solution. So now what you're going to do is take this and do long division. Negative 14 to simplify the rest. 1, 11, negative 150, and negative 15, 12. Okay, let's do the math. Okay, I kind of skipped through the process because of time, but once you go through the process of synthetic division, your solution would be x squared minus 3x minus 108. Since you have a remainder of 0, that means that now you factored it somewhat. That's what your factors look like so far. Now, to jump to the end, this will factor to x minus 12 times x plus 9, and then you bring this down. This is your completed solution here for number 48, section 6.5. Thank you very much.